So the next topic is loops and conditional statements. How it's work. There are different loop types: while loop, for loop, nested loop. While loops are repeat statements or group of statements while a given condition is true. When condition is true, it tests the condition before executing the loop body. It works when condition is true. For loop. Execute a sequence of statements multiplied times abbreviates of the code that manage the loop variables. Use multiple times. Nested loop. These loop can be used one or more loop inside any another word. While, for, or do, while loop. These are the nested loop. Next statement. If statements. An if statement consists of Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. If else statement. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which execute when the Boolean expression is false. When expression is false. So nested if statements. You can use one if or else if statement inside another if or else if statements. These are the statement: if statement, if else statement, nested if statement. If statements is when expressions followed by one or more statements. Else statements. If statement is optional, and if you can use if or else statement inside another. I believe the trial has shown conclusively that it both possible and described to use Python as principal teaching language. It is a free, both cost and source code. It is trivial to install on Windows PC, allowing students to take their interest further. For many, the hurdle of installing a Pascal or C compile on a Windows machine is either too expensive or too complicated. It is a flexible tool that allows both the teaching of traditional procedural program and modern OOP. It can be used to teach a large number of transferable skills. It is a real-world programming language that can be used in academia and the commercial world. It appears to be quicker to learn, and in combination with its many libraries, this offers the possibility of more rapid student development, allowing the course to be made more challenging and varied. So it's a quicker to learn and combination with many libraries. So last one, but not the least and most importantly, its clean syntax offers increased understanding and enjoyment for students. These are so important points. So that's all about the Pythons.